Imagine driving over a bridge in Genoa. When crack, it collapses. In 2018, the Morandi bridge did exactly that, claiming 43 lives. The cause? Rust. But it's more than just lives. Countries spend every year about 1% of their GDP on rust-related expenses. For Belgium, that's the equivalent of 500 euros per person every year. And yet, we often still rely on visual checks, hoping to spot rust before it's too late. But rust doesn't happen randomly. If we could predict when and where it forms, we could prevent it. To predict rust, we need to understand what causes it. And the biggest influence? The weather. That's why I use rust sensors, which are essentially small pieces of steel that track minute by minute how fast rust forms. And I put them at weather stations in different environments. But weather alone couldn't explain the rust these sensors measured. That's because what really matters is the thin film of water that the weather leaves behind. So, rust only forms when water sticks to the steel surface. That's why I built a camera setup that captures thousands of images, showing how rain or dew leaves behind those thin rust-triggering films. But manually analyzing all of those images and rust and weather data, that would take me ages. And that's where AI comes in. I train AI to turn every frame into numbers. For example, how much of the surface is wet, and then pair those with the rust sensor and weather data. That reveals which weather patterns truly drive rust and lets us predict it more accurately. My goal? To help us move from random inspections to smart preventive maintenance in order to protect our steel structures. So next time you cross a steel bridge, just know, researchers like me are working to outsmart rust and keep you safe.